circular motion. So then we will focus on so what is the main differences and what are the formulas are there in linear motion and how it is converting into circular motion. We'll discuss again. So then we can understand very easily. So general basic formulas we'll discuss one by one. So generally in linear motion, so we know displacement. Generally here I am representing displacement in S. So S it is equal to displacement means in linear motion displacement. What is the difference?
Angular distance.
Oh no, only linear motion law. What is meant by displacement? Displacement means short.
Theta.
Displacement means no. Linear motion
Shortest
displacement means
shortest distance from
shortest distance. So shortest distance means ఏంటంటే final point minus initial point. Final point minus initial point. So for example, final point I am writing that is xi, x1. Initial point I am writing in 0. Initial point as 0. Here, so what is the circular motion? So what is the circular motion? So will represent in distance or displacement is theta. Distance or displacement is theta. Here also same final. So final distance. So final point minus initial point. Final point minus initial point. So this is in like for example. So this is a circular motion. This is in circular motion. So for example, like your starts from here, Your starts from here. Then your journey is ending from here. B and A point. B point your journey is ending. So A point. So at A point I am writing this is in theta 0. Theta 0. So final point is B theta 1. So here angular displacement. So this is in displacement. So displacement is theta 1 final distance minus initial distance. So um, this is the distance theta, angular distance. Second important formula is so velocity. So velocity means velocity means
u plus it.
no. Linear motion. What is meant by velocity? In linear
Change
motion,
in
what is
distance.
yeah, change in distance, displacement, change in displacement, rate of change of displacement. So that is in
Not
d
distance.
by dt, d by dt of s, d by dt of s, or delta s by delta s by
Delta.
delta t, delta s by delta t. Here angular. So here velocity, angular velocity is will represents in omega. Will represents in omega. What is the formula? Omega equal
Omega equals to r omega naught plus
so
alpha
here velocity equal to rate of change of displacement. Here omega
d d
d
theta by
d theta by dt. So means here also velocity distance by time rate of change of distance. Here angular distance. Here angular distance is theta. Then you can write like this also delta theta by delta t. Or you can write like this also theta 1 minus theta naught
t
by time. Time t1 minus t naught.
t.
You write like that. Then third formula is so here distance I am writing, velocity is also I am writing. Then acceleration. Acceleration in linear motion. What is the formula?
V minus u by d
V minus
dv by
yeah,
dt.
excellent. V minus u by t or dv by dv by
by
dt. Rate of change of
dt.
velocity, rate of change of velocity, or v minus u by t, v
U
minus u by. Here I am writing,
t.
here I am writing angular acceleration. So then I'll represent in alpha. Angular acceleration is alpha. So what is the formula of alpha?
D omega by dt.
D omega by dt, or delta w by,
Delta omega by dt.
yeah, delta omega by delta t. So r omega, change in, so delta omega means change in angular speed, angular velocity, that is omega 2 minus omega 1 by t2 minus t1,
Minus
t2
t1.
minus t2 minus t1. Then so one more third formula is acceleration is over. Fourth one, fourth one is here. Fourth one is, so linear equations. So first linear equation is, we know v equal to u plus v equal to u
A
plus v equal to u plus at. Then it is converting into rotatory motion. So that is v.
omega
V means v means it is a speed. V
omega
means it is a speed or velocity. Here what is the velocity? Angular motion. What is the velocity?
omega
Omega. Angular velocity is omega. So that is in angular velocity is omega. Sorry, I'm writing omega. So omega it is also, u means it is also velocity, it is also, this is final
omega
velocity, this is initial velocity. Then I am writing in angular motion, then I am writing in rotatory motion. So this is in final velocity w1, initial velocity, initial angular velocity is w naught, initial angular velocity is w naught, plus, so what is the here, a means,
alpha t.
yeah, alpha t, excellent, alpha t, alpha t. So now it is linear motion. What is the one more formula in linear motion?
Is equals to ut plus half at square.
Yeah, S is equal to ut plus half at
Half
square,
a
half at square. So this is also formula converting into rotatory motion. So this formula is also converting into. So S means it is a distance.
no,
S means it is a distance in linear motion. So what is the distance in angular motion?
theta
Theta. It is theta. So theta equal, it is u means initial velocity.
omega
Here what is the, here tell me, omega,
omega
omega naught, omega
omega
naught into, omega naught into,
t
so t, so both the time is same, both the time is same, half into,
half
half
t
into alpha t square, alpha
alpha t
t square. Excellent.
square.
Then now sixth question, sixth formula is, so what is the one more formula in linear motion?
సార్ ఇవే సార్ కానీ ఇంకొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్
Problems are not doing that.
బ్యాంక్ డ్రాప్స్ అలాంటివి
Bank draw, yeah, means turning on the roads.
ఎస్ సార్
Yeah, okay, okay.